Welcome back to another Tasty Tuesday, and we have a special guest with us who has been begging.
Yep. I haven't been begging. I've been giving you a hard time about not inviting me. There's a big,
She's
big
like,
difference.
I'm going to cut your credit card off the next time you go to order if I'm not invited to the next Tasty Tuesday.
Well.
So Hope is so excited to be with us because we went to somewhere that is like over the top good.
I've heard a lot about this place, but
long
never been.
wait, like order your food in plenty of time, but we went to Sports Center Billiards downtown Augusta beside Luigi's.
Okay.
Yeah,
I've heard
you've had
lot
it a
about
long time ago. But anyways, they have like, look at these onion rings. So I got onion rings, like they're literally like chopping these onions up and battering them. And then the hamburgers are, I was like, yo, this is a sloppy hamburger right here. And you know, the sloppier the better.
Yep.
Because it is good. And Hope is back there. She found some napkins on the floor back there. So thank the Lord. But anyway, we're gonna get into it.
Yeah.
First impressions.
First impression, I mean, like you said, sloppy burger looks good to me. Onion rings, I'm curious.
You like onion rings?
I do.
You like onion rings?
I'm just curious. I'm hoping they're not greasy. Did you have a few?
I ordered a whole plate of onion rings to eat on the way here.
So you already know how those are. But and I'm not against being greasy, but like, you know, if it looks too greasy, you don't want to be, you know, dripping or whatever.
Yeah.
But
I'm the opposite of that one.
So you can have all those onion rings because I've eaten a whole box of onion rings.
Oh my gosh, there's an empty box.
On the way here.
I think we saw that.
Yeah, we were peeking through the window. I was like, look at him eating already.
We were waiting on that.
I was eating and doing a deal all at the same time.
All at the same time.
So, yes.
Yeah.
Anyways, let's dig into it.
Yeah.
So, why don't we taste the onion rings first?
Okay, onion rings.
And
So what do you think? No, I'm just kidding.
yeah, right? Yeah. So, onion rings, look at that. It's not like, it's like, you can just tell. Like I was telling them, they were like in the back, like, or on the side over there, just chopping onions
smell
up.
amazing.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right.
Y'all ready?
Yeah, I gotta quit talking so we can try it.
1, 2, 3.
I don't think they're greasy. They're good.
Yeah, they're good. That's
Like
that's
And
good.
they're real.
Real onion rings. They're not like frozen.
It's not like going and getting those that are already. I like
Those are good. Oh wow.
And I like that the breading is not like
overpowering.
and super consistent all over it. Like
Yeah, you can
like,
see the onion.
It's good.
Yeah.
Very good. All right. Enough with the onion rings. Let's dig into the burger now.
All right.
Okay. What's on that burger?
Yeah, it looks like it.
So it's loaded. It's all the way. Cheese, lettuce, burger, onion, mayonnaise, ketchup, mustard, pickles, I think.
Wow. Oh my gosh.
I'm scared.
I'm a sucker for a good burger. So.
I'm gonna get another napkin.
Look, I mean, the bottom of it is like wet because it's so much.
Yeah.
Why you give me that one? That's a big one.
Oh, I'm excited.
It's messy.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
All right. So the burger is.
Looks
It looks
amazing.
One of my
good.
TikTok people that I watch these food things said the burger's slouchy. This is a slouchy burger.
I'm trying to figure out what side to try it on.
Let's
Are we going ahead?
Let's go.
Let's go. It's ready.
And it's kind of messy. Oh, it tastes like real hamburger meat, not the fake kind.
Yeah.
I think I made a mess.
We didn't even talk about it, but we both just took a second bite.
Yeah, we did.
Y'all know that's good. It's good.
I want to eat it.
Okay, so this is what I like about it the most. Most places that do homemade burgers that they pat out themselves, it tends to be a little dry. Just because they go and they make so many at a time, so they really, that is not dry one bit. That is really good.
You know what I like about it? You can taste the seasonings in the meat.
Yes. Yes.
This is a good hamburger.
It's not just
Cheese is melted on it. All the condiments that are around it is like so good.
It's good. So normally we're like, let's take a second bite, but both of us went in for the second bite.
We went for a second bite
without
a napkin from you.
Without even discussing it. So, all right.
Really good.
Are we gonna rank
first? Yeah.
Rank it individually or the whole thing together?
Oh.
Do you not watch our Tasty Tuesdays?
I do.
So on a scale from
I'm gonna be honest
0 to 10.
First of all, my husband got me in trouble asking me my opinion on something the other day with my mother-in-law. But with that being said, I'm gonna say to you that this is a 10 out of 10 burger because I don't know what y'all's rankings are, but like this is a hamburger I would eat all the time.
Okay.
All right.
Onion rings?
10 out of 10.
I mean, they were good. I'd say.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. I don't know. 8 out of 10. I don't know.
Yeah.
Apparently someone doesn't watch our Tasty Tuesdays and see
Yes,
our
I
ranking
do.
scale.
But y'all's ranking scale is not mine. So there's
Okay.
that.
All
Y'all
right.
just rank out.
Burger 10 out of 10. Onion rings about an 8 out of 10. Okay.
All right.
I'll say the burger is definitely like a 9.3.
Okay.
I like it. It's really good. 9.3, really
Nice.
good.
Very good rate.
Again, it's not dry, and you drove, so it's not fresh on the plate like eating. So that says a lot to me. All that. Onion rings, I'll probably go about 8.5.
Okay.
So overall, just a even 9 probably for the whole meal.
All right, so that was mine.
I
was going to say 9 for the burger and onion rings because it's just like it is probably one of the best burgers in
really
Augusta,
good.
Georgia.
It is very
that
good.
you can go in and
Which
get.
is why it needs a 10.
So, you know,
I think we have only had like 2 or 3 tens.
Maybe.
Well,
I know.
it needs to be a 10.
It was good. So very good. We'll definitely go back and do it. But one tip is take cash. So they don't take cards.
That's good to know.
I don't carry a ton of cash on me. And so when I went in there, she said my total, and I looked and I was like, "You don't take cards?" And she was like, "We don't take cards." And I had 7 $1 bills. And I'm like, hold please. Let me run out to my truck.
The onion rings you ate about probably covered that. Yeah.
And so I ran out to my truck. Fortunately, I had a little bit of cash in here, but take cash with you. And if you're in a hurry, order in advance. You know, they did have a large order in front of me today of like 15 plates, but it did take them about an hour to get my food ready. So make sure.
Do they have more than just burgers? What else do they have? Okay.
And they actually do steak night. They have meatloaf, macaroni and cheese, shepherd's pie.
Okay.
So it's like, look them up and you can find them on Facebook.
Sports Center
downtown Augusta, right beside Luigi's.
Okay.
Downtown.
Okay,
Yep. It's so good. So anyways, thank y'all for joining us on this Tasty Tuesday. We're just going down the list of places that y'all have recommended to us. And so keep recommending places to us. Drop it in the comments below. DM us on social media, text us, whatever. But we're just kind of going down the list of everywhere that they have recommended to us. So keep doing it because it's some good food out there and we want to bring it to y'all. And so keep doing it. And we hope everybody has a great Tuesday.